Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Today we will continue our lesson number 3 Harakat. In part 1 we have learned what is Harakat and how we pronounce the Harakat and how we pronounce the letter which has Harakat on it or below it. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel Madni Islamic Academy. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in part 1 we have learned that what is harakat. In this video I will again repeat the definition of harakat and how we pronounce the harakat, and we complete the lesson number 3 in this video. What is harakat? The plural of harakat is harakat. And what is harakat? Fatah, Zabar, Kasra, Zer and Dhamma Pesh are called harakat. Keep remember, Zabar and Pesh are placed on the letter. Zabar and Pesh are placed on the letter where Zer is placed below the letter or under the letter. Zabar and Pesh are placed above the letter where Zer is placed under the letter or below the letter. The letter which has harakat on it or below it. If any letter which has harakat on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. A letter which has any harakat, zabar or pesh on it, above it or below it, then this letter is called mutaharrik letter. How we pronounce the harakat? When we pronounce zabar, then we open the mouth and raising the voice. Means pronounce the zabar by opening the mouth and raising the voice. How we pronounce zer? When we pronounce zer, we drop the voice. Means pronounce the zer by dropping the voice. And how we pronounce pesh? Pronounce the pesh by rounding the lips. Means when we pronounce pesh in harakat, when we pronounce pesh, then we round the lips. Keep remember how we pronounce the harakat in Arabic accent. Pronounce the harakat in an Arabic accent without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. I again repeat, this is very important in this lesson. Pronounce the harakat in an Arabic accent without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. How this is happen, we will practice in this lesson. In part 1 we have completed harakat, and remaining harakat letters we will complete in this video. Let's start the lesson. Sheen zabar sha, शीन ज़ेर शी, शीन पेश शू, शा, she, shoo. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching or suddenly pausing the voice. Sheen zabar sha, sheen zer she, sheen pesh shoo, sha, she, shoo. Sod zabar tho, sod zer si, sod pesh su, so, si, su. Dod zabar do, dod zer di, dod pesh du, do, di, du. Do zabar do, do zer qi, do pesh u, do, qi, u. Ro zabar ro, ro zer ri, ro pesh ru, ro, ri, ru. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching the voice and without sudden pause. Ain zabar a, ain zer I, ain pesh u, a, I, u. Ghain zabar gha, ghain zer ghi, ghain pesh ghu, gha, ghi, ghu. Fa zabar fa, fa zer fi, fa pesh fu, fa, fi, fu. Qaf zabar qa, qaf zer qi, qaf pesh qu, qa, qi, qu. Kaf zabar ka, kaf zer ki, kaf pesh ku, ka, ki, ku. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Lam zabar la, lam zer li, lam pesh lu, la, li, lu. Mim zabar ma, mim zer mi, mim pesh mu, ma, mi, mu. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching or without sudden pause. Noon zabar na, noon zer ni, noon pesh nu, na, ni, nu. Waw zabar wa, waw zer wi, waw pesh wu, wa, vi, vu. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching and without sudden pause. Ha zabar ha, ha zer hi, ha pesh hu, ha, hi, hu. Hamza zabar a, hamza zer I, hamza pesh u, a, I, u. Keep remember, harakat will be pronounced without stretching the voice or and without sudden pause. Ya zabar ya, ya zer yi, ya pesh yu, ya, yi, yu. That's the end of lesson number 3 Harkat. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.